Hi guys, Lavelle here and welcome to my channel!
Join us in our amazing underground river adventure in Palawan. To go to Puerto Princesa's underground river, you have to travel to Puerto Princesa via land, sea, or air. In our case, we travel via air. Once you're in Puerto Princesa, the capital of Palawan, you have to travel to Sabang. It's a small village north of the capital. There are a lot of options to go there, but in our case, we just book a tour towards Puerto Princesa Underground River. From Sabang Wharf, we'll board a small boat to get you to Sabang Beach, which is the entry point of the cave. When deciding on a travel date, you should take it into consideration the weather in the region. The best time to visit Puerto Princesa is during dry period, which is from November to May. As you can see in the photo, Sabang Beach has the most amazing views. It has a very wonderful rock formations. A fine sand beach with a crystal clear water. But the guide tells us, no swimming. Of course, when you're there, you won't miss a chance to take a lot of pictures. So let's wear the protective gears and let the adventures begin. We ride in a small boat to enter the cave. Palawan, the Philippines' westernmost province, is a picture-perfect island like no other. It will transport you to a beautiful tropical paradise that is home to a marvelous beaches and abundant biodiversity. One of the best tourist spots in Puerto Princesa is the world-renowned Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, which holds the place in the new Seven Wonders of Nature and has been included in a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1999. It is also famously known as the Puerto Princesa Underground River. The 8.2-kilometer long underground river boasts jaw-dropping cave formation, stunning limestones and cliffs. However, only a portion of the river, around 4.3 kilometers, is allowed for the tourist exploration. The variety of the species in the caves is endemic to the river system, including fish, crabs, giant spider, bats, swallows, and snakes. But bats and swallows are usually the only species you'll see. As we go deeper into the cave, it's become darker and darker, and only the flashlight from our guide is the only light we can see. While inside the cave, we're not allowed to make any unnecessary noises so that we cannot disturb anything or anyone that's resting peacefully inside the cave. As we go deeper and deeper, I feel scared because it's so dark and I don't know what's under the water. The water is like so dark, but it's so amazing. There's a lot of wonderful rock formation. And some of those amazing rock formation I saw is the market, the cathedral, and the Mama Mary statue and the Pegasus. I even asked myself how the nature can build such wonderful things. The tour of the underground river itself lasts approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour, and that 1 hour is amazing. Puerto Princesa Underground River tour price most range from 1,500 to 2,500 per person. All underground river tours should include hotel transfer and buffet lunch. You should be able to book tours through your accommodation. And that's my underground river adventure vlog. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe or leave a message down below. Thank you so much. See you in my next vlog.